Most online courses fail. They either don't sell or the people leave them midway. In this video, I'll be sharing with you that how you can create an online course using AI that people will don't only buy, but they will also complete it till the end. So this is what I'll be sharing with you. So after watching this video, you will not be wasting your time in creating any course that people are not considering that, or people are not completing that. But the important thing is that the sixth step is very, very important on this journey of creating an online course. So watch this video till the end. So let me show you my screen and let's go to the step one first of all. So the step one is know your target audience. So first of all, you should understand that you should know exactly who is it is for whom you are building this particular product. So the example is very simple. Okay, either you can create it for the UX designing course that you are creating for the working professionals, or you might be creating the stock trading course for the college students. So you need to be very specific that okay, this is the course that I'm creating, who is my exact audience, who is the person who will be buying it or who will be going through this. But now here an important thing, don't create for everyone, because a lot of people I have seen, they are in this myth, okay, I'm creating this thing for everyone. Okay, let's suppose I'm talking about UX designing. Okay, I'm creating this UX design course for everyone, even a student, even a working professional, anyone can go through this. No guys, this is not our right approach, because when you create something for everyone, you are creating for no one. So you need to be very specific that for whom you are creating this particular course. And if you are doubtful, okay, that which skill of yours you can monetize, which skills of yours that people will be willing to pay you for, so for that I can help you over there. For that you can book a demo call with my team and we'll be creating an entire game plan showing you your exact monetizable skill that is not only that you are good at, but also something that people are looking for the help in that particular thing. And over there you can create an online course or some digital products. Now move to the second step, which is setting up the intention. What do I mean by that? Okay, because on this journey it is really important to create an online course. It is really important that you need to set up the intention first. Why it is important? Because you cannot control the end result. End result could be anything, but you can control that what we are creating and with what intention we are creating this thing. This is something that is in our control. If I am creating this particular video, how many views that will be there on this video, it's not in my control. But what is something that is in my control is to deliver the maximum value into this video with the right intention. So that's why it is very important. And there is one thing that I always do whenever I am creating any online courses, that okay, I take a personal example. Okay, so this is something that I do regularly. Whenever I create a course, I always think of my son. My son's name is Yuvan, so I always have him in mind. Okay, that I am creating this course for him. And now the next question that I always ask myself, okay, if Yuvan will be going through this particular course, then how this will make his life better? Because I cannot create something that is not impactful or that cannot deliver the value for my son or for any of my loved ones. So that is something that you should always ask. Okay, and how this will make his life better and what he will get out of this particular course. This is something that you should always do this thing. Okay, so I will recommend you that you should think of, there is a simple exercise that you should think of someone that you love most. It could be your spouse, it could be your parents or anyone. Okay, your kids, anyone. Okay, think of them that okay, they are consuming this particular course. This is something that you need to have in mind, and then ask yourself the same question that I asked myself, that how this particular course will make their life better and what they will get out of it. Okay, and with this you will be able to make the top-notch courses for them or top-notch stuff for them, not something vague or not something shallow or not something not up to the mark. So this is the second step that you need to do. This is literally important. And the third step here is map the learner's journey. Okay, you need to do this thing. Okay, so here are three things. Okay, your course should not be like a set of videos. Okay, it is not like a set of videos that person is watching them. No, it should be like a journey to them. Okay, so for the person or that this is the journey that I'll be going through. This is the path that I'll be following, and this will help me take from place A to place B. Because consider because these videos people are getting, okay, try to understand this thing. There is a lot of knowledge out there in the world right now. Okay, You can go on ChatGPT, Perplexity, okay, YouTube, everywhere. In every niche, there is a lot of content out there. But the major thing that is missing out there is that there is nothing structured. No structured learning. Things are like here and there scattered. And people are willing to pay for that, because I know a lot of people, they have put a lot of efforts in doing something, watched 100+ hours of the videos here and there, but they got zero results. Why? Because they were just doing the here and there learning. So that's why they are looking for a journey. They are not looking for something that they watch a video and that's it. Okay. So the simple thing is, okay, so this is something, okay, so that's the important thing. Like in case of this side paycheck courses, that what I'm creating here, it is to take someone who is feeling what's my objective here, what is the journey that they are going through, or what's the journey that someone who would be part of my side paycheck program will be going through. Okay, so it is something that is taking them who is feeling like insecure in their life because of their high dependency on the salary income, to build another source of income for them by putting their existing skills, by putting just a few hours per week. This is what I'm trying to do over here, and this is what my students as part of the side paycheck thing will be going through. So this is the end-to-end journey. So you need to think in this way. Whatever the code that you're creating, okay, don't chase like, okay, this person had put this video, there is these many videos in this particular course, तो मेरे में ये होना चाहिए, मेरे में वो होना चाहिए. No, consider like this a journey, and then create that particular course. This is literally important. Okay, now to complete these courses, what all are the different stages, or what are the milestones that they need to complete? This is again the second thing that you need to have clearly in your mind, because if I want to go from Delhi to Mumbai, okay, I cannot go from Delhi to Mumbai directly. There must be some milestones or the stages that I need to go through. So that's the same thing that you need to go through, because this is a journey again. Okay, so you should have in every stage, in every milestone, you should have that, okay, inside each stage, what these people who will be at this particular stage, okay, to achieve this stage, what they should do first of all, okay, what they should know and what they should achieve. Three things. Okay, know, do and achieve. Let's suppose someone in the side paycheck journey, if they want to make like 50,000 per month, let's suppose that's the first milestone. What is something that they should be aware about? They should be aware about the funnels, they should be aware about the creating the courses, the creating the digital product, knowing about their monetizable skills, to figuring out the USP, XYZ thing. Now, if someone is scaling from, they should be aware about how to sell to the person. Now, if someone wants to scale from stage 1, that is a 50,000 per month, to 2 lakhs per month or 1 lakhs per month, okay, next milestone could be 1 lakh per month. Now, what are the things that you should be aware about? They should be aware about hiring the right people. They should be aware about the time, about outsourcing the things. They should be aware about some parts of the automation. Okay, so these are the things that they should be aware about, what they should be doing over there, and what they should be achieving at the end of this. So in this way, there is something that how you should plan out these milestones. Okay, and the important thing, this is literally important. Okay, the better you will zoom in to the journey of your customer, of your target audience, better course you can prepare for your target audience. Because if you are not able to zoom in as much as possible. This is literally important, because if you are on a top level, okay, then you will not be able to figure out, or you will not be able to create the best course for them. So this is literally very, very important. Now, coming to the fourth step, which is again very important, break into the mini courses. Never ever try to come up with single course. No. Why? Because there is reason for that I'll be sharing with you. But why I'm talking about the mini courses? Okay, consider that, okay, that for this milestone, consider each milestone or the stage on the journey as a mini course, and then based on that create it. So let's suppose in my one part or the one stage or one thing is like inside my side paycheck thing is creating the YouTube channel and creating the videos over there. So this is the first thing. Now I will create a course for that. If the another is on the LinkedIn branding, I will create another course for that. If there is on the automation, there will be another course for that. If there is on the business setup, there will be another course for that. And why I am doing this thing? So basically you can create for each one stage, okay, you can create a course. Each milestone or stage is equal to mini course, or there could be multiple mini courses as well. Okay, so there could be multiple mini courses that you can consider in each stage as well. That's okay, but don't create some big courses. And when I'm talking about mini courses, anything between 4 to 5, 6, 7 videos, it's enough. Okay, don't make it like so big that people will drop in between, because the reason is very simple over here. Why we are doing this thing? First of all, because when students or your target audience will complete a mini course, they feel progress quickly over there. That after their 5 to 6 videos, they completed a course, they took some actions, they achieved some result. They feel satisfied, because we are living in an era where there is sense that we need something instant. Instant noodles, instant this, instant that. So this is the mode that we are living in. So everyone wants an instant result. So this will help first of all in that. So when they do this thing, they feel appreciated, or they feel motivated that, okay man, I have completed this particular course, I have done this thing. Now they get motivated for the second course. And another important thing is, that when you create these mini courses, it is really easy to update them or replace a module. Let's suppose on funnel building, there is something that I want to update it over there, or there is something that I want to remove it entirely, and I want to add another course onto that particular journey. I can easily do that, rather than making the changes in the entire course, and a lot of changes are required over there. So rather than that, I will be focusing on this particular thing only. So this is the fourth thing. Now the fifth step is again super important. Bundle all these mini courses for the perceived value. This is very, very important. So let me give you a very simple example. So there are two examples that you will be try to understand. So let's suppose there is a course which will cost you rupees 9,999. But on the other side, there is a bundle that is being offered to you, where there are 10 courses plus some worksheets, some templates, and over there the person is asking for the 9,999. So my question to you is very simple, that which one would you prefer? Definitely the second one. Why you are preferring it? Why? Because the perceived value is super high over here in this second one. Because in the first one you are seeing it like, okay, I'm getting a course. But in the second one, okay man, I'm getting the templates, I'm getting the worksheets, I'm getting these courses, I'm getting this. There are multiple things, packages. So this is really, really important, and people perceive it as a complete system, not as just a random video series. Because when you give a long course, they can think, okay man, why should I pay them 9,999? I can find some course on the Udemy. But on the Udemy, they will not find all these things packaged together. That I am getting these 10 courses together along with these templates and this nice bundling. So this is literally important. And now moving to the sixth step, which is really important, which is naming and outlining the course. Lot of people struggle over here. So here there's something that I will recommend you to use some strong naming words inside all the courses that you are creating, all your mini courses. Some example words could be blueprint, formula, game plan, launchpad, mastery, system, toolkit. Use some of the keywords like this. It could be lead magnet launchpad, lead magnet mastery, Instagram growth playbook, Instagram reels fast track, stories engagement lab, email nurturing system, YouTube hook formula. So try curriculum design blueprint. Try to incorporate as much as these keywords. So here are some examples that you can see. So here are some examples that I've given you over here. So use, so try to do these things. This will help you a lot in coming up with the right names. And also use a mind map for each mini course. And so now coming to the outline. Naming is currently defined. Now coming to the outline part. You need to figure out, for each course, create a mind map. Add topics covered inside that. First of all, you need to figure out, that in this particular course, in mini course, what are the things that I can cover. List all those things in that mind map randomly. That what all could be covered over there. Then you need to figure out, like here. Now you need to figure out that what all actions should one be performing over there in that particular video. Also, what end goal should one achieve after completing every mini course. You need to be very, very clear on these things. Name strong, come up with the topics that should be covered under that, what all actions the person would be performing, and what will the end thing that they will be getting out of this particular course. You need to be very specific. Now for each topic, you need to create a short video. Don't ever try to go with long videos. A lot of people make this mistake. Anything between 5 to 15 minutes is good enough. Okay, and after important, because this is something, listen to this carefully, because this will keep your users engaged. This will stop them from leaving in between. Okay, after each video, give action items. After every video, give some action items, either to, if you are creating on resume creation, okay, write down the summary, write down anything, whatever you are taught over there, ask them, okay, for this, create this particular action. Even if there is no action that you cannot get done, in that case, you can even ask them, okay, now what I want you to do, whatever your 3 key learnings out of this video, write them down below in the comments. So this will do one thing over here. First, 2 things. First of all, whenever they will write down their learnings, or when they will do their actions in the comments, perform their actions and update in the comments, okay, first of all, they are not just watching that videos, they are performing the action, because when they perform the action, they will feel motivated. Okay man, I have done this thing, and then they move to the next video, again they perform something. So step by step they are doing this thing. Second is, whenever they are sharing their actions in the comments below, it will pile up the number of comments below your courses. And when the next person will come, okay, new student will come into your courses, they will see, okay man, these are the like 500 people have commented in this course or in this video, and they will also check, and it will build a lot of credibility that, okay, that's, yes, a lot of people are engaged, or a lot of people have enrolled for this particular course. So these are the 2 benefits that you are getting over there. Okay, now because when people see others doing things now, they also do the things. Okay, now one important thing to keep them engaged inside the videos, or inside your courses is that, okay, start every next video with the previous video recap. Always talk about, okay, in the last video I have covered about this. If you have not watched that video, then do watch that out. Then come to this video. Pause this video, watch that video first, then come to this. Because everything is interlinked. Everything should be interlinked. Okay? So mention this thing. And another thing is that at the end of the video, you can also mention this, okay, that, okay, in the next video, we will be covering about this particular thing. Okay? So what this will do, all these things consolidated will improve the completion rate. This will improve the completion rate for your audience, that, okay, we have to do this thing. So this is how you need to approach this particular thing. Now moving to the 7th step. The 7th step is scripting, shooting and editing. Okay, now once you have this outline, okay, these are the videos. Now you need to, first thing is that you need to script with the bullet points, not word by word. Don't ever make this mistake of scripting the courses videos or any videos out there word by word, because that will create a big challenge, because in that case you will be reading it, speaking it, and the person out there will lose the context or will lose the touch. Right now you can see I'm just taking the help of these bullet points or these mind maps, and I'm speaking confidently whatever is coming into my mind based on these bullet points, these mind map points. Go in the simple way. So this is the first thing that you need to do. Okay, and then next thing is, okay, once you have these things, okay, you can also put all these things into a Google Doc. Okay, never ever try to make it like very fancy. Now you have these bullet points or anything that you want to explain. Okay, if possible for you, you can create the PPTs. If it is not possible for you, if you are not good with that, you can simply go with the Google Doc. You can take the help of the mind maps. Be wrong. Okay, the only thing that people cares about is the value that you are delivering. They are not caring about how fantastic that the PPTs that you have created. This is the next thing. Okay, these are the few things that you need to keep in mind. And then I will recommend you to record these videos, and to record this you can use there are 2 tools that I will recommend. Okay, if you are on a Windows, you can use Clipchamp. It's already free tool. If you want to go with a paid version, in that case you can go with the Riverside.fm. So these are the 2 tools that I personally use that you are seeing over here. This is also something that I have recorded using a Clipchamp. So that's it. And inside both of these tools, they provides you the option to edit them. You can make some basic editing. Don't go with some fancy editing or out those things. And for the editing part, that how you can edit these videos, I will be creating another video. I'll be sharing you with that very soon on my YouTube channel. So stay subscribed, keep following me. And that's all for this video. And if you are really serious about building a side income business for you that can easily generate 2 to 3 lakhs per month of revenue by just putting 10 to 12 hours per week, the link in the description, and book a one-on-one demo call with us. And over there, we'll be creating a personalized game plan for you to create this 2 to 3 lakhs per month, leveraging your existing skills that you already hold. That's all. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. More power to you.